Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. All right, so our Get Smart projects today are uh, two related to the Earth. So we have a wonderful illustration of the Earth, and one is when the Earth is healthy, one is when the Earth is not healthy, and then some fun facts about for the Earth. And so what you'll see here, this is by David and Deshawn in I think Miss Page's class. Yeah. So from 222. So what they did was they also drew what we don't see about the Earth. So the core of the Earth. So the different layers beneath the surface that we see, deep down where volcanoes come from, actually. So did you know that it's greater than 1,000 degrees and it's so hot that you could melt metal? So yeah, the Earth is a very, very interesting sphere. Of course, it's where we live, but there's a lot of fun facts about it. And then some art to share with you today. So one, again, has to do with the Earth. And this is by Jefferson. So we have the sun and all the planets. And then we have a very cool dragon by Sol Lopez. And then finally, check this out by Adia in Miss Cirillo's class. It's absolutely stunning. But an eye, look at that. Just stunning. Well done. All right, now moving on to our mystery number and Wordle. So many people were able to get the Wordle, and it is Juneteenth. So that was an N. States, that was the A for the clue for yesterday. But Juneteenth in the United States. So Juneteenth is a holiday we celebrate in the United States, and it happens to be Monday, and that's why there's no school. So it's a federal holiday, which means that banks and schools are closed. But this is where it got a little confusing. So this number was a 9. That was our clue from yesterday. It's the largest of the odd numbers. But this number and this number confuse people in our mystery number. So this is actually a 5. I did not give a clue on that because I thought maybe people who knew that it was Juneteenth would find out more. So Juneteenth is an important day in our history because way a long time ago, more than 100 years ago, there was something called slavery. And there was a document called the Emancipation Proclamation that ended slavery. So it meant that there could be no more slavery, which is a very good thing. Slavery was a very bad thing in our country. And it ended in 1863. Now, Juneteenth is from a date, June 19th, 6th, because June is the 6th month, right? January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, Juneteenth is the 6th month. It's the 19th day, but it's not 1863, it's 1865. And the reason why is, even though there was this document that said can't that slavery is over, people in Texas didn't get the news. The slaves in Texas didn't get the news for at least 2 years. 2 years later is when they found out, and that's when they knew they were free. And that was in 1865. And that's why we have this holiday, Juneteenth. And that's why there's no school on Monday. And now it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is a shout out to a variety of people today. The first shout out is to the girls in the 5th grade who spent a lot of time looming for hope, just spending their time making bracelets and now selling the bracelets so that they can help people in need. That is a lot of work. They made close to 800 bracelets. And the other shout out today is to Emily, Ava, and Mia, who found money and turned it in. They're not sure who it belongs to, but they wanted to make sure it got to its rightful owner. If nobody claims it, I will give it to the collection that is taking place for Looming for Hope with our 5th grade. And boys and girls, anybody can make a difference. Our 5th grade girls are proof of that. They just decided to make a difference, and that's super duper mighty kind. So they spent time looming, and now they're selling. You can too. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty mind. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.